Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers, and I want to tell you about this great, beautiful new listing we've just put on board, a 391 Meridian. This boat is so clean, it is absolutely immaculate, one of the cleanest, nicest boats that I've ever been on. As we start back here in the cockpit, you're going to notice, first of all, a nice wide bench seat all the way across the aft. And of course the transom gate here that goes back to the big, nice swim platform. This boat does have a tender apparatus on the back. The tender is not part of the boat, but the davits do go with it. Works very, very nicely. Again, we can close the transom door. You'll also notice that the infinity weave material is new here on the floor. Really makes for a nice fit and finish. We'll head up there on the bridge in a few minutes, but right now I'd like to walk into the boat. One of the nice features on this boat is it does have a full glass aft door like most sedans. It also does have a screen, so if you want to leave the boat open, nice day like today, there's screens for the back door here as well as down in the cabin area. So as we take a look around, again, you'll see that nice big door that opens up back to the cockpit. On the port side, we've got our entertainment center. It's a very, very clean, tight boat. In fact, if you look through the windows, you'll see this is probably the cleanest boat, cleanest windows that I've been on. It's really, really a sweet, sweet package. Nice, comfortable chairs here with the little table in between and the lamp for reading at night. And over on this side, we've got the nice couch. These do fold out here. And this weighted base table, you can easily move it around, raise it up to use it as an extra dining table, or as I say, these do pull out. Another nice little end table here with a lamp on it. Gives you a nice sitting position here for reading or looking out the windows. It's one of the things on this Meridian that down low you've got great visibility out the window. I'm sitting down here on the couch right now, and as you can see, you got plenty of light, plenty of observation. One thing nice with this boat too is it has a dinette. This will convert and make a sleeping area as well. This table will turn so that it's easy for your guests to get in and move around, or you can swing it around and use it as an extra serving table in the galley area. And speaking of the galley, one of the neat things here is that you're not walking down into the cave or down in underneath the deck. You've actually got a nice galley here. Big stainless steel sink, big electric stovetop, not cracked or broken. Great storage throughout this boat. Microwave, side-by-side refrigerator, icebox, freezer. And then also in the galley you got a nice wood floor. By the way, the carpets and the material underneath here are absolutely clean, nice, pristine, no smells, no odors, ready to go. So as we walk down into the forward cabin, got 2 steps down and into the master stateroom. Nice big walk-around bed. This has an extra plush mattress on it. Gives you plenty of back support, very, very comfortable. Plenty of air conditioning up front here. 2 nice storage compartments on each side. And one of the nice things on this 391, a lot of times on boats close to 40 foot, you don't get a nice separate shower. But you'll see this is a big shower. Plenty of room in here, probably 6'6" clearance as you walk around and move around in the shower. And then if we close off the forward stateroom, you've got access to the potty as well as the vanity. Again, a nice medicine cabinet storage area over there. Vacuum flush toilet. Nice big master stateroom. Then as we go over to the port side of the boat, you're going to see you've got a separate doorway here for your guest stateroom. Nice big walk-around bed again. Very, very comfortable. You can walk all the way around back here on either side of the bed. Nice storage area back here. Reading lamps, and again, as we talked about, the windows will open to let air in as well. Another storage compartment here. And access for your guests into the shower. And then for day use, as we mentioned, you can close the forward stateroom off and then have a private door so that your guests can utilize the toilet, the vanity, as they're walking in and out of the boat, in and out of enjoying this nice salon area or the aft cockpit. One of the nice things on the 391, it's very, very proportionate in terms of the cabin as well as the aft cockpit, and a very, very spacious bridge with a great entertainment center up here. This is a unique boat in that it has a full hardtop on it. It also has dual air conditioners that keep it nice and cool. The isinglass is in great shape, and as you can see, it's got the smiles so that you can raise it up. That isinglass is as clean as the glass down below. This boat also shines and glistens in the sun. There's no dull spots. Really, really a nice, clean setup. As you can see, big entertainment area back here. If you want to add a table or another cooler up here. Do have a refrigerator over here on the other side. Sink here, so you do have a wet bar. It's got an updated Garmin unit as well as the Simrad autopilot, depth finder, and one bow, one stern thruster, 2 thrusters on this boat. Beautiful, nice boat. It's Cummins powered, got just under 1,000 hours on it. Great service records. It's really been taken care of in a great way. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. Give me a call. Look online at the rest of the pictures. This boat won't last long. 391 Meridian, great boat for Southwest Florida.